how to transfer money from Dave to Cash App. So first we want to click on our profile icon in the top right corner, and we have to select linked banks. So we have to link our Dave to Cash App. Now here we have to select the option to link a debit card, and we have to click on no card. So we're taken to the bank accounts page. So here, as you can see, we are able to link our bank accounts. So just click on continue, and where it says search institutions, we want to search for Dave. And as you can see, we have dave.com come up in the first as the first option. So click on it, and here it will ask you to log in into your Dave account. So after you have logged in, basically you just have to click on authorize, and it will connect your Dave account to Cash App. So after we have connected our account, then what we have to do is go all the way back. So just click on back a few times. And now from the main page of Cash App, what we have to do is click on the bank icon in the bottom left corner. And here, if we want to transfer money from Dave to Cash App, then we have to click on add cash. Select the amount. If you want to transfer a specific amount, you can click on the three dots right here, and you can type out your amount. And then after that, you just click on add and the amount. And if your Dave account is connected to Cash App, then right here, it will just ask you to authorize the payment. And that's how you transfer money from Dave to Cash App. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.